G'day, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Mr. Stumble from the Stumble Guys game. What a cool little game. My kids love playing it on their phone. Starting with the head, a U shape. Now we are drawing the neck and the shoulder. Lots of curves in this. Now he may look easy, but he is a bit tricky. Curving around there, this is the edge of his shirt. Don't forget his other shoulder comes out and around. Down, and that's his t-shirt, and this is his arm. Curve it in, and he's sort of got his hand on his hip there. Now the other arm comes in, then curves out and around. Don't forget his t-shirt curves around, and there we have both of his arms. A little hemline on his shirt. Now we're going to bring out his leg, and his other leg's coming out the other way. He's got a slightly side-on stance with his legs. Now his shoe is going to be coming down, around, and then back up. This is almost looking straight at that shoe. This one's got a bit more of a side view, so we're going to come around and back up. And don't forget the line for the sole of the shoe there. Now it's time for his eyes. Some really long, elongated oval shapes. You can colour them in black. You can do that now or later on, it's up to you. Now a curve line for where his head meets his cap. Now a diagonal line coming out, and then a curve. This is his caps, the cap part of his hat. And then make sure this is the same, slightly wider than his head, and it's a curved line coming up. I love to outline mine in thicker outlines to make them pop off the page. Colour with Copic markers of various shades and colours, and then I'm going to put some darker and lighter areas over the top with coloured pencils. Hey, check out some of these other Stumble Guys characters. Make sure you hit that like button if you've had a good time, and I will see you next time.